Hello student, already we are discussing live class today. Yes. So again I will repeat now. The output unit, printer. Okay. So output unit is a our instruction. Okay. Sorry. Discussing input unit. Okay. So our instruction and information transfer to computer is called input, and output is a our instruction and information transfer to user from computer, it's called output. Okay, so page number 26, see this all of student, and see this output unit. Okay, output devices are used to send the output processed by the computer to different user. Okay, so the output unit comprises of output devices attached to the computer. Output device like VDU, actually VDU means monitor. Okay, printer, plotter, and speaker convey information from the computer to the user. Okay, so visual display unit VDU. The VDU full name is visual display unit. Okay, so our monitor resembles a television screen. It displays both text and graphics. The display can be either black and white or color, depending on the type. The size of monitor is measured in diagonal length of the screen. Monitors are available in 14 inch, 15 inch, 15.1 inch, 17 inch, 18 inch, 19 inch, 19.5 inch, etc. Okay. So three types of monitor is a cathode ray, TFT, and LCD. But this chapter is no cathode ray and crystal. Okay, so we are discuss cathode ray, CRT, and LCD. Okay, so CRT is a cathode ray tube, and LCD equal to LCD is a liquid crystal display. Two main types of VDU available. Okay, so the output produced on a video is called soft copy. Okay, output and sorry, CRT is cathode ray tube. Okay, LCD is a liquid crystal display, and TFT is a thin film transistor, not a transistor. Transistor, TRANSISTOR, transistor. Okay, TFT. So already we know monitor. Yes, screen, monitor screen. So three types of monitor: LCD, CRT, and TFT. But this chapter is no CRT and LCD is available. So now discuss CRT and LCD only. Okay. So cathode ray tube, CRT, and liquid crystal display LCD. The output produced on a VGU is called a subcopy. Data can be represented on the screen in two modes: text mode and graphics mode. In the text mode, only text in individual character are displayed. In the graphics mode, pictures are shown by constructing an images on the screen using dots. Okay, so monitor two types. In the text mode, two types screen data can be represented on the screen two modes. Monitor have a two modes. Number one text mode and number two graphics mode. Okay, and the text mode is a this one. See this images. He is a connector. This one, yes, this is a text mode. Okay, and this is a graphics mode. See this image is graphics mode. It's called graphics mode. Okay, so this called text mode. Okay, so two modes. Number one text mode. Number two graphics mode. Okay, so in the graphics mode, on the show by constructing an image on the screen using dots. Using dots, you can actually you when you zoom this images, then you show this option dot mode. Okay, dot mode, and in this mode the screen is created as an array of tiny dots called pixels, and anything that appear on the screen is shown using this dot. Images are formatted on the screen with the help of display adapter or graphics card. Display adapter means this one. DGA cable is called display adapter. Okay, or DBI or SDGA, EGA. It's called a screen or a monitor adapter. Okay, display adapter. Okay, so graphics card. This is where graphics card, graphics card. this one. Basically, graphics card used for a high quality resolution. Whenever screen a high quality resolution, that used for graphics card. Okay, this one, yes, graphics card. Okay, this one, graphics card. Okay. So display adapter and graphics card. So display adapter have different resolution. Yes, already we know different display have a different resolution. The higher of the resolution, the more the number of pixels, the better is the quality of pixel display on the screen. Some display adapter are listed below. So number one, EGA, VGA and SVGA. So EGA supported up to 16 colors only. Supported only 16 colors only at a time. It usually has a resolution of either 640, only 640 and 200 pixel, or 640 into 350 pixels. The bad quality, because 640 already we know 640 and 200 pixel. Yes, 640 and 200 pixel is not good, because your resolution is quality bad. Okay, so EGA, enhanced graphics adapter. Next, upgraded version of VGA. Okay, video graphics adapter, video graphics array adapter, VGA. Okay, VGA can display both text and graphics. Listen, VGA can display both text and graphics. These are available in black and white as well as in color. The VGA adapter provides up to 256 colors. EGA is a provide supported only 16 colors, yes, but VGA supported up to 256 colors. So definitely resolution is good, better, good. Yes, resolution is good because supported 256 colors in this adapter. Okay, so colors and has a high resolution. High resolution. Okay, there are two typically combination of resolution and color that a VGA adapter provides. 640 and 480 pixel with 16 colors, and 320 into 200 pixel with 256 colors. Okay, it is VGA, this one. Okay, VGA adapter. This is called VGA adapter. Okay, so upgraded version of EGA, because EGA only supported 16 colors, but VGA supported 256 colors and supported two colors, black and white colors. There are available already to coloring, color, yes, black and white as well and color. Okay, two supported color in this, two color supported in this adapter, because black and white supported and color combination is supported, but EGA supported only black and white color. Okay, and supported only 16 colors. So upgraded version of VGA, so 256 color. So coloring and black and white color is supported in this adapter. Okay, and resolution is good. And next, super video graphics array adapter, it's called SVGA. SVGA, high quality resolution of screen. Okay, high quality resolution of screen monitor, computer screen or computer monitor. SVGA is an improvement of the VGA, upgraded version of VGA. Okay, there are many combination of resolution and color that SVGA provides. 640 into 480 pixel with 256 color to 65,536 color, and 1024 into 768 pixel with 256 color, and 800 into 600 pixel with 256 color to 65,536 color, and 1280 into 1024 pixel with 16 color. It is already we know your resolution, your picture quality is high quality, then your resolution is highest 124 to 124 to up to 1280. Okay, dependent of resolution, your picture quality or your, this one, see this images, my resolution is this one. When you open your images in internet, then first time whenever picture in your open in internet, then your picture quality is not good because this resolution is lower, resolution is low. But see this, my resolution is 2400 into 17 1720. When you open this images, see this. Okay, no problem. Redirect to another website. Okay, no problem. So see these images. Okay, resolution is good because its picture quality is high and resolution is good. Okay, so your picture quality good, then you know your resolution is high. If your picture quality is low, then you know your resolution is low. Okay. So next, printer. A printer output the information display. Printer is a output device. If the output produced on a paper is called the hard copy. Printer can be divided into two categories: impact and non-impact. Two category: impact and non-impact. So now discuss impact printer. Okay. In this printer, there are a physical contact between the print head and paper. Impact printer can be subdivided into line printer and character printer. So now discuss line printer and character printer. Line printer print one line of text at a time. One line of text at a time. Listen and remember this. Line printer print one line of text at a time. Only one line. Their printing speed varies from 300 to 3000 lines per minute. Drum printer and chain printer are example of line printer. Drum printer and chain printer are example of line printer. Okay, let's see this drum printer consists of cylindrical drum on which characters are embossed for each and every print position on a line. The drum is rotated at a high speed. There is a magnetically driven hammer at its character position in a line. A character is printed by striking the hammer against the embossed character on the surface. Mechanism of drum printer. This one. Okay, drum printer. Drum printer. This one. This is my image. Resolution is 500 into 500. So when you picture this image, when you zoom in this picture, then your picture quality is not good. Why? Because resolution is low, 500 and 500. But this picture, when you zoom this picture, then resolution when you zoom this picture, then your picture quality also good. Why? Because resolution is high, 2400 into 1720. Okay. So now this topic, drum printer. So drum printer consists of cylinder drum on which character are embossed or its every print position on a line. Basically used for drum printer, basically used for banner printing, press used for press, book printing, this quality, this like. Okay. Basically drum printer used for a banner printing, advertise graphics designing, advertise printing, advertise paper or banner printing. This one basically used for. Okay, drum printer. You see this image. Okay. Next, chain printer. Chain printer has a character engraved in type assembled on a chain. Magnetically driven hammer are located at its print position. The chain is rotated at high speed with the rotation of the band. The hammer is activated when the desired character comes in front of it. This one, line printer, a chain printer, yes. This one. See this price. Okay, case in printer, series flat. It's costly. Case in printer, drum printer is very costly, most costly. Okay, so you can only use advertising printing or book printing. And this one used for key sign printer is useful only basically book printing, advertise printing. Okay, and drum printer basically used for advertise banner printing, graphics designing. Okay, so character printer print one character of text at a time. They are slow printer which speed in the range of 30 to 600 character per second. Dot-matic printer and letter quality printer are example of character printer. Okay, example of dot-matic printer. Example of character printer, dot-matic printer and letter quality printer. Okay, a dot matrix printer is the most popular character printer. The print head contains a vertical array of pins. As the print head moves across the paper, selected pins fire against the ribbon. The more the more paper selected pins fire against the ribbon, the more pins the print head has. The better will be the printing quality. Many dot-matic printer are bed, bed, bidirectional. That is, they print one line of text from left to right and then the next line from right to left. Okay, this one I think X dot matrix printer. Series price sorry series price 10,400. Okay, so basically used for invoice printing. Invoice means your sales purchase recorded. Okay, recorded list. Invoice already we know invoice. Okay, so invoice basically used for invoice printing. Okay, dot matrix printer. Okay, basically used for invoice printing. Next, letter quality printer print full character. This means that the characters are not up to dot. The most popular printer of this type is the Daisy Wheel printer. Daisy Wheel printer. In a Daisy Wheel printer, the print head resembles a daisy flower. With its print arms appearing like the petal of the flower, the character to be printed is sent to printer buffer. The hub is continuously rotating at high speed, and the hammer strikes the appropriate character when it is a position. The Daisy Wheel printer has a speed up to 90 characters per second. Okay, 90 characters per second. Okay, Daisy Wheel printer. Wait, Daisy Wheel printer. Okay, Daisy Wheel. This one, Daisy Wheel printing. Series, my resolution is 320 into 180. Okay, so series image Daisy Wheel printer and Daisy Wheel printer. Same for same for dotmatic printer and Daisy Wheel printer, but dotmatic printer is slow. Okay, dotmatic printer is slow, but letter quality printer Daisy Wheel Daisy Wheel printer is speed. So basically use this printer mostly. Okay, see this image Daisy Wheel printer. Page number 20 is the most popular printer of each type is the Daisy Wheel printer because basically used for this printer in this generation for banner printing or invoice printing. Okay, not for any other printing. So in a Daisy Wheel printer, the print head assemble a daisy flower. This one, daisy flower. Yes, this type of flower with its print arms appearing like the petals. Petals is called petal actually. Petals of the flower. A character to be printed is sent to the printer buffer. The hub is continuously rotating in high speed and a hammer strikes the appropriate character. Okay, when is this position, the Dejuhel printer has a speed up to 90 character per second. So speed Dejuhel printer is speed, so mostly use this printer in this generation. Okay, so next class we will discuss okay, next class we will discuss now impact printer, electromagnetic printer, thermal printer, inkjet printer, laser printer, plotter, drum printer, micrographic printer. Okay.